A lot of people now pay for AI subscriptions, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. But what if another AI cost is hiding somewhere else? Not in the App Store, not on your card statement, but inside your electric bill. We call AI the cloud, but the cloud is not floating in the sky. It runs inside real buildings, huge data centers. Inside are servers, graphics processors, cooling systems, and one thing they all need: electricity. The numbers are getting big. In 2014, US data centers used about 58 terawatt-hours of electricity. By 2023, that had grown to 176 terawatt-hours, almost triple in less than a decade. That is not just more servers. It can also mean more power lines, more substations, and more pressure on the grid. But the pressure is local. Data centers do not spread evenly across the map. They cluster. So the national average can look fine, while one local grid is under serious pressure. That is where the bill question starts. Your electric bill is not just paying for the power you used. It also pays for the system that delivers it: power plants, transmission lines, substations, and local distribution networks. And the grid is not built only for the electricity used today. It has to be ready for peak demand. So, if the grid expands for data centers, utilities have to recover that investment somehow. If those costs are not assigned directly to the data centers, some of them can be folded into the wider rate system. That is why this is not just a technology question. It is a billing rule question. Who should be assigned the cost of the new grid? That is why regulators and grid operators are starting to draw lines. They are asking how large power users should pay for the capacity they request. But this is not automatic. A data center does not automatically raise everyone's electric bill. Big tech says it can secure its own power, pay for grid upgrades, and support new energy projects. So the real question is not, do AI data centers use a lot of electricity? They do. The real question is, who should pay for the grid behind AI? Are data centers a burden on local communities, or big customers that help fund the next grid? What do you think? Let me know in the comments.